have complete ecosystem to manufacture spindles, belt-driven spindles and direct drive spindles right in Pune facility itself.
Okay.
So we wanted to promote that our Make in India efforts for our Indian machine tool manufacturing. In these kind of products, it is more related to technology. I mean, pricing is always important, but as you know, there are very few spindle manufacturers across India. So what they are looking about it is actually the spindle which is either equivalent or better than the products which are usually imported. Right now the spindles what we are getting in India are from Taiwan. So we are in fact competing Taiwan spindles. So definitely technology plays more role over pricing of the spindle.